Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use investing.com to help with your technical analysis in your binary options trading. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be going over the smaller time frame. So I'll be going through an example of if you were looking to trade 1 minute binary options. And this is basically what you would do. So the first thing you'd want to do is come onto the website investing.com. I'll link to it below in the description. And then you're going to pick the pair you want to trade. So let's say you're looking at trading US dollar yen. So you're going to type in, you're going to search on the website US dollar yen. For me it was there because I've searched it recently. And then once you are here, you're going to want to go to technical analysis. And then basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for a directional bias, and then we're going to be looking for the opposite to be happening on the time frame we want to trade. So for example, on the hourly we have a strong buy for the technical analysis. On the 30-minute chart it's neutral, 15-minute chart neutral, neutral on the 5-minute. 1 minute is a strong sell. So if we remember over here, it was a strong buy on the hourly. Let's go up. Strong buy on the 5 hourly, strong buy on the daily. So I would go ahead and say that I'd be looking to buy this pair just because the larger time frames are telling me that we're technically in a strong buying zone. So on the 1 minute chart we have a strong sell. Now you could look for setups on multiple currency pairs, multiple different time frames. Basically what you would be looking for is for a strong directional bias on the higher time frames, and then on the time frame that you get the opposite, that's the time frame you want to be trading. So in this case we do want to be trading on the 1 minute time frame, but for example, you on another pair you might go on the daily and it's a strong buy, 5 hour strong buy, hourly strong buy, 30 minutes maybe it's a neutral, and then on the 15-minute maybe it would be a sell. Let's just make that as an example. If the 15-minute were to be a sell, then we'd be looking for a buy setup on the 15-minute. You could even do it as looking at just 2 higher time frames. So if you looked on the 15-minute and it was just, for example, a strong buy, and a 5-minute if that was a strong buy, and then the 1 minute strong sell, you're then looking for a buy. So just remember, you always want to go in the direction of the higher time frames, and then the one that you've got the opposite summary. So if all the higher time frames are strong buy, and when you get to the time frame that says strong sell, that's the time frame you want to be trading. So in this case we would want to be buying US dollar yen. Now that's just a very quick and easy tip for how you can get a directional bias and know which time frame you want to be trading on when it comes to binary options. It's a very simple and easy tool to use, and it just makes trading binary options that much more simple and stress-free, because you're not actually doing the analysis and trying to decide if you want to buy or sell. You're letting investing.com do the work for you, and then you're just utilizing the information they give you to make a decision. So let's just jump over to the charts, and we would be looking for a buy setup right now on US dollar yen on the 1 minute chart. So let's jump over there. Alright, so as we've come on the chart, we've gotten a setup pretty much straight away. And then as you can see, you can definitely see why it's a strong sell on the 1 minute time frame on investing.com. It definitely is a sell. And then as you go up in the time frames, you can see that why it could be neutral. Moving averages haven't crossed yet. There is power to the downside, but yeah, you can definitely see why it would be neutral. But we've gotten a nice setup here on the 1 minute, basically like a bit of a double bottom type of setup. So we've taken that, and we'll see how that plays out. Just a few more seconds on this. So basically what we've done here is we've used investing.com to tell us where we want to be trading, on what time frame we want to be trading, and then we've come onto that time frame and we've utilized price action techniques to enter a position. In this case, we had a support level, double bottom type of setup on a decent level. As you can see, we've had a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, so it's strong enough for my liking, and it worked out. So that's it for the video today. If you found value in that, give the video a like, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for daily binary options content. If you are interested in learning how to trade binary options properly, do consider checking out our Viper binary strategy. It is the real way to trade binary options, and it is highly effective. If you're interested in this, go check us out, www.traderoomsessions.com. All the information you need is on the website.